Hey guys, it's Yasmin from Glow Recipe, and today we're going to be talking about antioxidants in your skincare. So if you're not using an antioxidant in your routine every single day, it's time to start. Antioxidants are super good to ingest in your body, but also to put on your skin. As you know, skin is the largest organ your body has, so treat it right and you will be more healthy, you'll look better, you'll feel better, all of that great stuff. One of our favorite antioxidant-rich fruits here at Glow Recipe is blueberry. So blueberries are super high in antioxidants. They have around 2 times the antioxidant power of any other berry, and we love to incorporate it in our routine with a few different products. So start off a good clean cleanse with the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. This actually won Teen Vogue's Acne Award for Best Soothing Cleanser this year, so you know it's good. This Blossom Jeju Essence Serum is super amazing at hydrating the skin. It also contains blueberries, so you know it's a super easy way to add some goodness to your nighttime routine. And this splash mask from Blithe helps you get your antioxidant power in 15 seconds or less in the shower. All you do is put a capful into your hands, pat it onto skin, and then just splash yourself with water. So if you're any bit familiar with us, you know we're obsessed with watermelon. Watermelon is super rich in antioxidants. It's super calming to the skin, so we make it super easy to get your watermelon fix every single day with our Watermelon Glow line. We have our Pink Juice Moisturizer, which you can use as a serum if your skin is super dry and you wanna layer on another moisturizer. Or if you have oily and combination skin, this is a great lightweight moisturizer for you. Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. All you do is do your entire nighttime routine, put on a healthy serving of this. It seeps into your skin super well so it doesn't leave any residue on your pillow, and you wake up, you just wash it off, and you're left with super hydrated, beautiful glowy skin. And our newest baby, the Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask, which is made of pressed watermelon. Literally, it's like putting a slice of watermelon on your skin. It's incredible. So antioxidant power number 3 is red algae. Red algae is where pink flamingos get their tint from, fun fact, and it also has 6,000 times the antioxidant power of vitamin C. I didn't misspeak, 6,000 times. That's crazy, that's insane. Don't you wanna put it all over your body? Yes, you do. So a super easy way to get your fix is with this new J1 Red Jelly Pack. It's super pink and packed with this super antioxidant. So antioxidant number 4 to look for in your skin routine is Propolis. So Propolis is derived from bees. It helps accelerate cell growth and decongest pores. So amazing, super power. You want it in your skincare routine, don't you? We love sheet masking around here. So we have 2 sheet masks that are actually filled with propolis. So we have the Liji Hum Vita Propolis Nutri Mask and the Chalk Propolis Black Mask. These are both great for pore cleaning, hydration, and everything else you could want. And then one of the ways that I love to get a nice dewy glow is by using the Liji Hum Vita Propolis Ampule. So this also has cica, which helps calm and soothe skin. All I like to do is just put a little dropper full in my hand, rub it, just pat it into my skin. Last but not least is chai tea. Chai tea, in addition to being delicious, is a great way to bring oxygen supply to the face. That's gonna help you look more youthful, will give you that beautiful plump skin, and will just make you look super glowy and amazing. We like to get our chai tea fix with the Wamisa by Glow Studio chai tea line. So the newest addition is the Charcoal Chai Pore Refining Glow Pads. These you use once or twice a week. You just slip your fingers in and rub along your skin. It helps gently exfoliate and detoxify the skin while giving you that beautiful burst of chai tea antioxidant power, so your skin's left super hydrated and glowy. Every single night, you should be using an eye cream to help protect your eye area, which is super susceptible to the signs of aging. And we love our chai tea eye cream for that purpose. This chai tea serum and cream is kind of like a great 2-in-1 step if you're super lazy or in a rush or just don't want to spend a lot of time on your skincare routine. This gives you a serum and moisturizer in one step. Incredible, right? So there you have it. Super easy to incorporate an antioxidant into your skincare routine, and it's really important. It's gonna make a huge impact on the long-term life of your skin. It's gonna make you feel good, and it's gonna make you look amazing. Keep checking back for more tips and tricks.